Sellers, did you know that the week of April 14th through 20th is the best week of the year to sell your home, according to Realtor.com? That means we are in the prime of the spring market right now, and the real estate market is hot here in the greater DC area. I have your full market update coming up next. Stick around. Hi, I'm Greer Uptegraft. I'm a local realtor with Pearson Smith Realty, and this is your April market update. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel so you can keep up with all my real estate news and information that I share. Data from Bright MLS is in through the end of March, and good news for buyers, we are seeing a little more inventory trickle onto the market. Active listings in March were up 4% year over year, which is great news to see that extra inventory. Still, buyer demand is outpacing supply, and that's evident in the rising home prices, which we are used to by now. It was an astonishing 10.1% year over year increase in the median sale price in March, with median home price being just under $600,000 in the greater DC area. So definitely still seeing multiple offer situations pushing home prices up. Sellers who are pricing their home appropriately and just a little below market value are getting multiple offers, are seeing buyers waiving contingencies and seeing their price point go up. Now, also a tip for sellers is to have your home looking market ready, meaning do all the updates that are needed before putting your home on the market. It is updated, well-kept homes that are selling very quickly right now. Buyers are now facing higher interest rates along with those rising prices, which certainly makes it tough for many people in our area. There are some things that buyers can do in order to help them prepare for the market and find that perfect home. One is just being prepared. Have your financing in order before starting your home search. Often homes go on the market on Thursday ahead of the weekend and are going under contract Sunday or Monday. So really things are happening quickly. You need to have your lender and your pre-approval letter lined up well ahead of time and be talking strategy with both your lender and your realtor before starting your home search. Secondly, understand that lower rates are going to mean more competition as buyers come off the sidelines. Now, everyone is hoping that rates may come down by the end of the year, but when that does happen, buyers who have paused their home search while rates are a bit higher will come back into the market, and you will face more multiple offer situations with even more buyer demand than we are seeing now. For some folks who can still qualify for the homes that they want at current interest rates, it might be worth purchasing now and then considering refinancing later once rates decline. 3, be open to a variety of areas. For buyers, you are well served if you aren't just focused on one specific area of our region. If you can expand your search, you certainly will have more options and definitely have an easier time finding the perfect home. So be willing to look outside the area you think you want to be in. You might find a great location for you. It is a very busy time in the greater DC real estate market for both buyers and sellers. Definitely a great time, as always, to have a local realtor on your side who knows the market. Please reach out to me anytime. It'd be my pleasure to assist you with your home search or your home sale. I'm Greer Uptegraft with Pearson Smith Realty. Greer is here for all your real estate needs. Have a great day and take care.